Hello everyone, welcome to D4Drupal channel. Today we are going to see about how to configure tax type in Drupal commerce website. Okay, so for that you have to go to your commerce configuration, store, tax type. So here you have to add new tax type. So the tax type is, I'm going to create it for India. So we don't have any existing plugins. So plugins, if you want to create your own new plugin, you can create it by using your custom module. So here I am going to create custom for India. So it's a custom plugin. So display label, I'm going to give GST and tax rate. So you can give tax rate for standard, intermediate, and for reduced, standard first, standard second. So based on your requirement, you can give. So I'm going to give 9% for standard. So country, which country this tax is applicable for? This is for India, for all states. You can restrict it with the state, with the postal code. If you want to add one more territory, you can add here. And save. So now we successfully created a tax type. Let's go to the product and add to your cart. So here I'm going to add this to my cart. Add to cart. So your cart. So in my cart, I have one product. So you can see here, GST is 45 rupees. So the total amount is 500. GST is added to it. So here you have to see one thing is that product. This is the elegant necklace. This is what I added. So variation. The amount is 500. So the tax is included there. So that you have to configure in the stores. This is for jewelry, right? So go. This is for which jewelry? Stone cutler jewelry. So edit it. So here we have configured price or entered with tax or not, without tax. So since we unchecked it, actual price of the jewelry is 500. So 9% tax is 45. The total amount is 45. So if you check here, the amount will be from for 500 rupees. The amount will be deducted and the total amount will be 500. Okay. Since we didn't include price with tax, tax is added separately here based on our configuration. So check out. So here, order summary. If you have any coupons, you can apply and continue to review and pay and purchase the order. Okay. So now we successfully created a product by using your tags. Okay. And if you want to create any existing tags, plugins, orders, sorry, tags type. So instead of custom, if you want to create any tags for United Kingdom, the existing tags. So existing tags will list all the tags, whatever configured there. So tax standard for reduced and zero. So what are the percentage? It already there. So when you click on any other plugins, based on the plugin, the see here, based on the country, the tax are added here for the European Union VAT. Okay. So you can save it by clicking on the plugin. Okay. This is how you can create a tax type with the existing plugin. So India we created with the custom plugin. Okay. And hope this video is useful for you. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.